Hello everyone, I am Savitri Nagaraj, lecturer in Electrical and Electronics Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. I am handling the subject Fundamentals of Electrical and Electronics Engineering in that Unit 1, Direct Current, Electricity and Electromagnetism. In this lecture, we are going to study definitions of resistance, Ohm's law, applications of Ohm's law, limitations of Ohm's law and simple problems on Ohm's law. Resistance, the property of a material which opposes or limits the flow of current through it. It is represented by capital R. The SI unit of resistance is ohm and the symbol of resistance is this. Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the applied voltage, that is I is directly proportional to V, and inversely proportional to the resistance of the conductor at the constant temperature, that is I is inversely proportional to 1 by R, that is I is equal to V by R, V is equal to IR. Here I is equal to currents in ampere, V is equal to voltage in volts, R is equal to resistance in ohm. This is the magic triangle to remember the Ohm's law equations. If you want to find out V is equal to IR. If you want to find out I is equal to V by R. If you want to find out R is equal to V by I. Applications of Ohm's law. It can be applied to a simple circuit. It can be applied to both AC and DC circuit. And it can be applied to either part of the circuits. Limitations of Ohm's law. It cannot be applied to the semiconductor. It cannot be applied to the electrolytes. It cannot be applied to vacuum tubes and discharge lamps. It holds good only at constant temperature. It cannot be applied to a complicated circuits having more number of branches and EMF sources. First problem, find the resistance of resistor which takes 5 ampere current when connected to 110 volt supply. Solution, given V is equal to 110 volt, I is equal to 5 ampere, R equal to question mark. By Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. We need to find out here is R, that is R is equal to V by I. R is equal to 110 by 5. If we solve this, we will get R is equal to 22 ohm. Second problem, a potential difference of 230 volt is applied across a conductor of resistance of 46 ohm. Calculate the current through the conductor. Solution, given V is equal to 230 volt, R is equal to 46 ohm, I we need to find out here. By Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, I is equal to V by R, I is equal to 230 divided by 46. If we solve this, I is equal to 5 ampere. Third problem, if a current of 2 ampere flows through a circuit of 55 ohm resistance, then what voltage is to be applied to the circuit? Solution, given I is equal to 2 amp, R is equal to 55 ohm, V is equal to, we have to find out. By Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, substitute I and R in a above formula, V is equal to 2 into 55. If we solve this, we will get V is equal to 110 volt. In this lecture, we have covered definition of resistance, Ohm's law statement, applications and limits of Ohm's law and simple problems on Ohm's law.